this corn and poblano rice is perfect as another side. So I'm gonna start by heating up my oil. There's so many ways to make rice in Mexico, but we always start with this first step. It gives it a layer of toasted flavor and makes any kind of Mexican rice taste Mexican. I started using jasmine rice when I moved to the US. We're using 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna fry the rice in this bit of oil until it gets toasty. I love it because it is floral, aromatic, kind of exotic, goes beautiful with all my Mexican flavors that I have here in this kitchen. And I'm waiting for the rice grains to change in color from that grayish white to a deep, deep white. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. And once the butter melts, I'm gonna add 2/3 of a cup of white chopped onion, 1.5 cups of corn kernels, and then we're gonna let the corn toast a little. I'm gonna season these with a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice. Since we have 2 cups of rice, I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. And as these start simmering all over the edges, I'm going to add my poblano peppers. They were fresh. You roast them or broil them, you put them in the bag, you sweat them, you clean them, and then you remove the stems and the seeds. And I cut them here into small strips. Once the chicken broth starts simmering, you add the poblanos. This is such an amazing combination. You have the poblano chiles that are really exuberant and aromatic, just like the jasmine rice. You really do wanna wait for the broth to strongly simmer. You cover and it's gonna be like 10 to 15 minutes. Let's try the rice. You hear the crunch of the corn? Sweet, and the poblanos wanna be spicy. So aromatic.